So here's our lovely quail. So we have our wings, our two breasts, the neck which is attached, and both of our legs. Here's the spinal column, which I'll show you how to remove later on in the course. First, we'll separate the wing and drumette. And as always, we want to find that joint and slice right through. There's the wing flat and tip. And I'll do the second wing. Next, find the flap between the leg and breast and make your slit. We'll then bend the leg back and cut around along the spine. And there's our quail leg. We'll do the same with the second leg. And here we've exposed that femur bone. We'll then cut along the backbone to remove. And there's our second leg. Next, we'll remove the backbone as always by cutting a slit between the cavity. We'll then bend it back and slice through the flesh where there's no bone. And there's our backbone. I'll then stretch out the neck by holding it down with the knife and pulling in the opposite direction. I'll go ahead and slice that off. And this is perfect to roast or sear for sauces. Next, I'll remove the breasts in the same fashion we do with every bird, ensuring I'm staying close to the breastplate and using the pointer method as well as the tip of my knife. We'll find the drumette's joint and then slice right through. And there's our quail breast. Also, fun fact, when the drumette is attached, this is what we call an airline breast. I'll then remove the tenderloin, and also the drumette. And finally, I'll continue to remove any excess skin or sinew. and there's our cleaned breast. I'll then go ahead and remove the second breast. Here I'll tear off the tenderloin and then proceed with cleaning and trimming. So there we have it. We have our 2 breasts, 2 legs, our wings, and our tenderloins. And here we have the breastplate, the backbone, drumettes, and the neck.